So this is the proof of concept for the iMobility messaging. The screen is pretty self-explanatory. It's not meant for production, but will give you a general idea. There is a groups section where you can define different groups. Here I have a Brian group and my group. If we see the two different groups, each one of them has different members. The first member has 3 people: Dave Droid, Jack, and Jill. I can obviously add a new member. There are only 3 users defined at the moment. My group has a different set of members. I think it only has, it only has 2, Jack and Dave Droid. This is where I would define the users. I have a place where to put in the username, the IP address of the device, and whether it's an Android client or SB1 client. I can obviously add a new user, putting in the username, IP address, and selecting the type. If I want to send a particular message to a group, all I would do is decide which group I would like to send to. For example, this Brian group, I need to send, this my group, I need to send a message to these 2 guys, Jack and Dave Droid. I will just send message to group, and this is where I would type in my message, and you'll see it. You'll see it in action shortly. I will type in a message in this dialog box, and it should appear on 2 different clients. It should appear on an SB1 Jack, and should appear on an Android client, Dave Droid. Here we have the 2 SB1s, Jack and Jill I call them, and this is the Android client. The Android client has a custom built app on it, which would be this one here. And the 2 SB1s are already listening for notifications coming in from the dashboard. The Android is not yet. Let's just start it up, and then over here in the notification bar you can see a tiny 6 p.m. notification services running. I can keep on using the phone for other tasks, which might include the scanning, etc. So that's running in the background, and we are going to send a group message. Let the group message be tester for demo. Let's send this message. The dashboard is waiting for acknowledgements, and this pretty much started to beep, and we got tester for demo, and we also got another notification over here, notification received. If I now click on notification received, you can see that there is tester demo, last message received, and I can send an acknowledgement. Let's do that, send an acknowledgement, and once I did that, acknowledgement from Android. Here I also got tester for demo. Let's acknowledge it. That's confirmation sent, and eventually we should get their acknowledgement from Jack.